guys, my name is Ihsas Kanjilal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, hi, how are you? So basically today's topic is quite interesting. हम बात करेंगे हमारे पिछले जन्म को लेके. I know it sounds a bit mythical, unreal. बहुत लोग बिलीव नहीं करते. They'll be like, हम भगवान में बिलीव नहीं करते तो इन सब चीज़ों में क्यों करेंगे? बट यू सी इसमें साइंस है. टुडे आई एम गोना प्रूव दैट इसमें साइंस है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ गेस्ट. बट बिफोर दैट, आरंट यू ऑल क्यूरियस कि तुम्हारे अगले जन्म में तुम्हारे इस जन्म से कुछ फियर्स रह जाएंगे ताकि वो फियर्स तुम्हारे अगले जन्म को इफेक्ट कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज इट डज हैपन. आई थिंक हमारा पिछला जन्म क्या हमें इस जन्म में अफेक्ट करता है? द पॉइंट बीइंग, डू यू बिलीव दैट देयर इज अ पास्ट लाइफ? मेरा कोई पिछला जन्म हो चुका है कि नहीं? इन अ बायोलॉजिकल वे, जो कि साइंस बच्चे कहेंगे कि तो बायोलॉजी में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि तुम रीबॉर्न होते हो. बट देयर हैव बीन प्रूवन इंस्टेंसेस जहाँ पे साइंटिस्ट्स ने, इवन की न्यूज़ चैनल्स ने कवर किया है दैट रीबर्थ इज पॉसिबल, बीइंग रीबॉर्न इज पॉसिबल. तो जब हम रीबर्थ होते हैं, जब अगर एक बंदा रीबर्थ हो सकता है तो क्या हम सब रीबर्थ हो सकते हैं? इट्स नॉट आवर बॉडी दैट इज गेटिंग रीबर्थ, it's our souls that's changing bodies. I know it sounds a bit mythical, unreal, stupid enough, but it does happen. It has a lot of science behind it. So today I'm going to talk to a guest who has spent most of her life doing the exact same, proving the exact same thing, that there is past life. And we are going to talk about past life regression. What is past life regression? Let's go. Let's learn about our guest today. Her name is Anuradha Banerjee Sarkar. She has done Masters of Science in Psychology from the University of Calcutta, attended certificate course in counseling psychology, clinical hypnotherapist from California Hypnosis Institute, past life regression therapist from California Hypnosis Institute, pranic healer, basic, advanced and pranic psychotherapy from All India Yoga Vidya Pranic Healing Foundation's Trust, attended different past life regression workshops of Dr. Hans Tandem, founder of Tasso, a school of regression therapy, attended workshop of Dr. Joseph Costa on the 15th of September. She has practiced counseling psychology for the past 17 years, and she has practiced hypnotherapist and past life regression therapist for the last 13 years. I admire her. She has given most of her life to understand this and let the others know, let the other people know that there is a past life and you can heal mentally and physically by knowing your past life. So let's go and meet her and talk to her कि seriously क्या past life regression होता है और कैसे होता है. Let's go. Hi ma'am, my first question is, does past life therapy regression always work?
Thank you. Before explaining whether past life regression therapy really works, let me tell you in short what past life regression therapy is, or what PLRT is. Past life regression therapy is a wonderful healing process to resolve any sort of problem. It is especially effective in resolving any fear or phobias, worries, anxieties, depression, compulsive behavior, any relationship issues, any sort of health problem, any old behavioral pattern, and so on and so forth. past life regression basically believes in reincarnation. So, the therapy works on the premise that the cause of clients' any psychological or physical issues in present life might result from the trauma or any other issues from any of their past lives. So, the past life regression therapists use hypnosis to take their clients back to that particular past life which has a connection with the client's present life problem to identify the source or the root of their present life problem. Now here let me give you a short example. A client came to me. The issue was he was having phobia of water. So when I asked him whether he has experienced anything in this lifetime to get the fear of water, he said no, he hasn't. So when I took him to another past life, he saw that accidentally he got drowned in a river and it was a head-on collision and immediately he died. So he was carrying forward all these phobia of water from that lifetime. So here we can understand that regression therapy releases the stuck pattern, bringing about the self-understanding and healing. Also, as I said that PLRT or past life regression therapy, wonderful healing process as it works deeply on our physical, mental, emotional and spiritual level. In regression therapy, we follow the current problem back to their source or the root cause, and we encourage our clients to unfold the story, and from there they can realize, they can self-understand what is the root cause of their present life problem.
Ma'am, what are the kind of things that past life regression can help a patient with?
It can help a client to reduce stress, overcome any types of fear or phobias, building self-confidence, develop assertiveness, overcome shyness, get rid of worries and anxieties, improve any sort of relationship problem, overcome depression, pain management, anger management, and many other issues.
Ma'am, what should I expect from it? Will I remember what I see or experience? Will I be unconscious or asleep? There are so many questions in my head.
Clients usually comes to past life regression therapist with issues for which they don't have any solution anywhere. So your primary expectation will be to resolve your present life problem, and after the successful past life regression therapy, when your present life problem gets resolved, mostly within one session, if you don't have any other complicated issues, then automatically your expectations are getting fulfilled. Yes, you will. Clients do recall everything that occurs during the session, and in fact, we are giving post hypnotic suggestion to all our clients to remember everything clearly. In fact, I also take notes during the session, so if any of my clients ask for the record, I always record it and give it to them. But it is hardly it happens because everyone tells me that they remember everything of the session. And for the third question, no. Through hypnosis, you will be in an altered state of mind, feeling very relaxed and comfortable, and your subconscious mind will emerge, and your conscious mind will take a back seat. And at the same time, even if your conscious mind takes a back seat, throughout the session you will be completely aware and alert.
And ma'am, how much time does it take to, feel or, remember things after the session?
It usually takes 15 days to 3 weeks to feel the result after the past life session. But in some cases of physical pain or any physical ailment, at times people get instant relief, which I have seen in my clinic.
And ma'am, my last question to you is, will knowing my past life hamper my present, relationships with other people?
No, it will not hamper your present life. In fact, an experience of past life enriches our life. Knowing our past story, we can clearly understand what is the learning or lesson from our past life we are carrying forward. We can understand our life story and make our relationship much better.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on my channel. It was truly a pleasure. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do press that subscribe button, click on that like button, and if you have any queries, any questions, आपको कुछ भी जानना हो, drop your questions in the comment section below. And if not, you can have, text on my Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. All my links are given in the description box below. A link to my previous vlog is also in the description box below. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it a lot, please share it among your friends and family and let them know what past life regression actually is and how does it happen. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you, sayonara.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame.